You're in Camden.
My mom would kill me. I feel like I'm in India.
Greetings from London. Today it's a bit of a different one. I have got the opportunity to turn the tables on hospitality. I have a Bangladeshi friend here in London. She wants to see something a little bit different. So it's my turn to be the guide. Here she is, the lady of the moment. Hello. How are you? And you? How's it going?
It's good. How are you?
I'm very well, thanks. So I'm going to take you to Camden.
Okay.
Camden is very well known.
Okay.
However, what I am going to do is take you there by boat, because I will be able to show you a different side of London,
Okay.
a very peaceful side,
Okay.
before we go manic. Okay?
I'm excited.
Just around the corner, we got a first glimpse of Regents Canal.
What do you think?
Oh my god, it's lovely.
You like it?
Yeah, of course.
Good. So we will be getting on a narrow boat that will take us basically through these canals. Do you fancy a tea or coffee?
I'd love some coffee.
1 minute later, caffeine fix sorted.
So we have our coffee,
Yeah.
and this is our boat.
We were travelling with the London waterbus company from Little Venice to Camden, and if you want to do this trip, make sure you go onto their website and book tickets in advance. They're very popular.
And we're in. So, oh, it's cozy, isn't it? Yeah, my left butt cheek doesn't quite fit. So I'll cross my legs. So, have you been on a boat like this before?
No, I've never been there.
Good. We like first experiences.
Yeah.
Just gonna
It's
get
my
ready.
first experience here because I don't know swimming.
Don't worry. If we sink, I'll rescue you.
Before Tanha could worry too much about drowning, we were off. And the reason I love this route is that it shows you a completely different side to London.
It's like you just get a different perspective here. See how big those places were?
So picture perfect.
Yeah, unbelievable. We've got the huge houses. Look at this one here. Looks like the Parthenon in Athens.
This is big.
Seriously, rich.
Rich, yeah.
people here.
I wonder what they're eating right now.
Caviar.
Yeah.
What does this place remind you of?
Sundarban. Big time.
Just without the tigers.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a few little domestic cats, maybe.
Well, actually tigers are here. They're in London Zoo, which we passed next. And we caught a glimpse of Little Monkey, before coming to a famous restaurant.
So there's the Chinese
Okay.
with its lanterns. Like Chinese? Do you like it? I would eat
Yeah, I
Chinese.
love Chinese.
Very good. Imagine having your morning coffee
Yeah.
there. It'd be so nice. What a way to wake up.
Some 40 minutes later, we left the tranquility of the canal and entered into Camden Lock.
Busy.
It's busy, but you used to Dhaka, you're
Yeah.
fine, right? You're going to be. It's home from home here.
Yeah.
Just maybe a few more punks.
Once off the boat, it was time to check out the street food, and there's a lot of choice here.
We've got pizza, we've got Lebanese, we've got burger, we've got chips, we've got chicken, we've got wraps, we've got dumplings, grilled pitta, Vietnamese street food. Look here. Right, what are you feeling like?
Like, I'm so thankful that you took me here.
But now you have to choose. It's very, very difficult to choose. What do you feel like? So,
I don't know, I'm so confused.
shall we try the Lebanese?
Yeah.
Right, we're going Lebanese. So we're going back this way. You have to assess all the options. Anything you can think of is pretty much here. And it all smells so good as well. So hungry. But we have to save room for ice cream. Now, I've heard that you like ice cream. I like ice cream. And there is a very, very famous ice cream place here called Chin Chin Lab. Okay. So we have to save room.
Okay.
So I think a small wrap would be a good idea, wouldn't it? Yeah, love you, thank you. Right, let's go find a spot to eat. What would you say your first impressions of Camden are?
Crazy.
This is what I said when I was in like Dhaka Old Town. I was like, ah! You went for the chicken. I can never say it. Shawarma. Chicken shawarma. Shawarma. I went for falafel. Let's see how the street food in Camden is. Look at yours. Can I see?
Yes.
Oh, they put chips in as well.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Right, we have to have
But in
enough room.
Bangladesh, we don't put
You don't put
chips, yeah.
you don't put chips in. No, we just shove it all in here. Okay, let's give it a whirl.
It's gonna be a messy eating.
I'm gonna do it differently to you.
Okay.
I'm gonna do this. Look.
Okay.
I'm gonna rip.
Oh, okay. Let's try this. Can you help me?
Hold the bottom.
Okay.
Hold it like that.
Yeah.
Let me. Do you want me to rip it? Rip the top off. Oh, there you go. Hang on. Wait. You can lose the chip. There we go.
Thank you so much.
There we go. Got the style going on. Right, ready?
Cheers.
One is cappuccino. Oh, it does taste good.
Tastes so good.
We got the falafel there. That. Oh yeah. Hello. Camden is famous for like loads of different reasons, but it's mainly known for its markets, and you get all sorts of different markets with, you know, clothes and vintage items and knickknacks. Heard of Amy Winehouse?
Yeah, I
Of
did.
course. So she used to live here. This was her home, and she loved it. And there's a statue which we'll find.
Okay.
And it's just home to lots of colour, lots of different people, and it's got a really lovely vibe. So let's go check out the High Road first. Yeah, you can see some of the shops, and then we'll dive into the markets.
Okay.
Get ready for colour. So what do we think? Welcome to Camden. I'm just going to let you take it all in, yeah?
It's amazing. It's completely different. I haven't seen this in London.
Can you see up here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Got some really, really colourful shops. Get your lips pierced here, yeah?
My mom would kill me.
Tattoos, body piercings. You're like,
I love this eyebrow piercing.
oh, the eyebrow piercing.
Yeah. It looks
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, it does look cool.
But I can't do it.
Imagine me delivering you home to your mum and
Oh
dad.
my god. She's gonna be like...
When I was in Dhaka and I was going around some of the markets,
Yeah.
I felt it had the same vibe.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
Especially in the new market area.
Yeah, exactly. And it's definitely as busy.
Yeah.
It's just, you know,
People will just push you and
yeah,
you have to walk anyway.
yeah. Look at this place here. Look, namaste. Oh, I love that incense. I love that. Now, where do you feel you are?
I feel like I'm in India.
It's totally different, isn't it? I like these. Look.
This is lovely.
I love the
This
colours.
looks nice on you.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I love it. Wow, it's beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous.
The thing is, it really doesn't feel like I'm in London.
No?
No, it feels like I'm in a whole other country.
What do you think, like, what did you expect London to feel like?
I know, like, quiet place. Less people.
The thing I love about London is that it's just really diverse.
Yeah.
And anything goes. And if I was wearing a ball dress,
Yeah.
or if you had front hair,
Yeah.
whatever, nobody cares.
Yeah.
It's like, just
You
wear what you
walk
want.
freely. No
Yeah.
one's gonna judge.
No.
And that's something I really enjoy here.
Yeah, and actually, do you know the thing I love as well is that you'll also hear numerous languages.
Yeah.
And it's completely normal to be walking around or on the tube and hear languages and not have a clue what they're
What
saying.
you're saying, yeah, exactly.
But that's part of London.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's my favourite thing, I think.
Having seen some of the high street, it was time to dive into the markets, the thing Camden is most famous for.
There's a lot of vintage clothes.
Yeah, that's what I'm.
A lot of like, yeah, ethnically inspired clothes. Lots of little stores. Lovely, isn't it?
different.
It is different, yeah. Very different. I love the bags. Look at these ones here. Oh, I like these. These are great. They're really cool. Nice, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, all the teas.
If you're a tea lover, you're spoilt for choice.
Gorgeous. It's so nice.
And if, like me, you like vintage or ethnic-inspired clothing, I suggest you just leave your wallet at home or alternatively, get out of the shops quick.
There you go. You're in Camden.
Yeah.
Shop I'm going to take Tanha to. She doesn't know it yet. Called Cyberdog. See how she reacts. So one thing I was going to ask you.
Yeah.
Have you ever been clubbing?
No.
No? Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go to a shop called Cyberdog.
Okay.
And it is designed for people that like to go clubbing
Okay.
with rave clothing.
Okay.
And I'm going to take you inside and see what you think.
Okay. Let's go.
One good travel tip, if you want to visit this place and you're in Camden and you're not sure where it is, you can't really miss it.
Right, in you go then.
Okay. It's loud! It's so cool!
Right, let's go down.
Oh my god!
Down here. Come. Down.
Cyberdog is a trance music and cyber clothing retail chain featuring lots of fluorescent colours and specialising in rave accessories like glow sticks. Having never been clubbing, I knew this would be a surprise, but there was more to show her.
Right, you've got to see some of the outfits now.
Okay.
Okay, let's find you a cool outfit. Right, it's the kids. Hang on. We go through. Look, they got luminous everything.
Yeah. I should get one of these.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I wouldn't lose you if you wore that. Cool. I'll be honest, I'm not entirely sure how to wear some of this stuff.
Mum, is it for the top?
What?
Is that for the top?
Is it for my top or the bottom? Well, I don't know if it's for the top or the bottom. Hip chain. I think it's meant to go over a dress.
Yeah.
But I'm not sure what part of the body. Interesting. Right, there we go. If you need a life jacket, over here it's perfect. I don't know whether that would save you in water. Even goes with trousers, look.
Yeah. It feels like I've seen everything.
I had to bring you here.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I had to. Thank you.
I think everyone should experience this.
Absolutely. It's super
It's
fun.
crazy.
It's crazy. I wouldn't wear half the stuff in there, but it doesn't matter. The point is, someone does, and they love it.
Yeah.
Forget the rave clothes, someone who loved Camden and called it home was the late Amy Winehouse.
Now, we have the famous Amy Winehouse statue right here. Yeah, she was amazing. Yeah, she's like completely integral
Yeah.
to...
Some the cigarettes.
Yeah, someone gave her a fag. Oh. Lovely. If you're into your sweets, there's quite a cool sweet shop. Have you heard of the fairy tale Hansel and Gretel?
No.
No? Well, I'll show you that later. This shop is called Hans and Gretel.
Okay.
I'll tell you the story.
Okay.
But it's sort of modelled on that. Look. There we go. Hansel and Gretel is a fairy tale about a witch who builds a house outer suites
Okay.
to encourage children to go and visit, and then she kills them and eats them. Yeah. So Hansel and Gretel are two kids that discover her house, but I can't remember the story. They manage to survive. It has a happy ending, I think. Do they survive, Hansel and Gretel? They do.
I love a happy ending. Now, if you're an Instagrammer, this colourful umbrella street in Camden Market is for you.
You like it? So cute. Yeah, it's pretty, isn't it?
There are loads of little shops nestled either side of the street, and this one is one of my favourites.
If I just bought one and took it home, it would look rubbish. In here, it looks amazing.
It looks nice.
Just want them all.
Yeah.
I have to say, this place is huge and there's so many different markets, but I reckon I'd have more chance of finding my way here than Jamuna Future Park.
Yeah, I can agree.
That I just like, I don't think I understand it at all.
Even I never, find my way to
No.
get out from
No, and it all looks like each shopping area looks the same, but it's not.
And it doesn't have any map.
No, it's totally confusing.
Before leaving the markets, I wanted to show Tanha the variety of things on offer here.
That's the thing about Camden Market, that you've got anything you can think of, from fantastic antiques to vintage clothing, new clothing, everything in between. Jewellery. Look at those. See why this is called the stables? Because it was a stable. See? Oh, I absolutely love these vintage shirts.
This looks really cool.
Cute, isn't it? That one there. Right, let's head. Should we head out?
Yeah.
So ice cream time, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go. Somewhere that I've actually not been, I've been past it, but I've never actually been, is Chin Chin Labs.
Okay.
They're known for a fantastic array of ice creams.
Okay.
It feels like ice cream weather,
Yeah.
which is amazing for London. So let's go check them out. What's your favourite flavour?
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Chin Chin simply means cheers, and the clever owners of this ice cream outlet are all about frivolous fun, creativity and innovation. Basically, they make awesome ice cream using liquid nitrogen because, well, why not?
Right, madam.
This looks so nice.
So I got you. It's
Strawberry sauce?
yeah. I got your strawberry sauce, and it's called tonka bean, which is apparently like a vanilla and honeycomb. Let's see. Is it good?
Yeah.
Right.
Normal, random vanilla ice cream.
My son's with us, but he doesn't want to be in the video, which is fine. But I keep on forgetting. I think I've got your ear in. Sorry. Might have seen Jake's ear. Right, Jake, you can have this one. What's this one is cookie dough. Yeah, this one is cookie dough with honeycomb and some kind of cakey, bakey, jakey base. So try that one. Oh my god, this looks crazy. Can I try that?
Yeah, of course.
Try a bit of the honeycomb. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Sorry, Jake. I think I got you in again. Right, here we go. Wow. It's almost like cinnamon. Oh my goodness. Oh, hang on.
You will never know.
She's just gone out to take a phone call. She's going to come back and there won't be anything left.
It's okay, she made it back and had no clue.
Okay then, let's go. Back to the tube now. I don't want to kill my new friend, so we're easing her in. You know, a few hours here and there. Because otherwise people get put off London when they get absolutely cream crackered. Well, there you go.
Bye, Camden.
I hope you enjoyed it.
I really enjoyed it.
And I shall plan the next one soon.
Yeah, thank you so much.